Okay, let's look at example 7. A 40 microfarad capacitor with an air gap of 2 mm is connected to 12 battery. Okay, so kita ada capacitor with air gap. Okay, so dia boleh meletak dielectric lah di sini. Connected to a battery of 12 volt. So capacitance here is new capacitance, initial capacitance 40 micro. The voltage is 12 volt given that the distance between the gap is 2 mm. Okay, first calculate the charge stored in this capacitor. Okay, so merujuk kepada initial information given, we want to find Q. Okay, so kita dibagi C, kita dibagi V, so we can find Q is equal to C times with V. C is 40 micro, V is 12 volts, so you will get Q equal to 480 microcoulomb. Okay, question B. If an insulator with a dielectric constant of 5 is inserted between the metal plates, calculate the new capacitance and the new charge stored. Okay, so sekarang ni kita punya capacitor. Okay, ada insulator. Okay, we are given insulator here. Okay, di mana insulator tersebut have a dielectric constant of 5. So that is value for epsilon R. Okay, 5.0. Okay, so we know that when we insert dielectric, okay, capacitance will increase. So kita mau kira apa value capacitance yang baru dan charge yang baru. Okay, so charge ni we don't know yet whether it's increased or not. Okay, let's check. So this one dia berlaku apabila battery tersebut connected. Okay, when the battery is connected. So when the battery is connected, okay, battery connected, we know that the value that will be constant is the voltage. So charge akan berubah. Okay, charge will change. Okay, capacitance also will change. Okay, so maksudnya Q yang di atas ni adalah initial, so kita kena kira yang baru lah. Okay, so how do we calculate this one? First, let's relate. Since we have the initial capacitance, okay, and we are given the dielectric constant, so kita ada satu formula yang relate. Final capacitance is equal to epsilon R initial capacitance. Okay, so masukkan this one. It will be equal to 5 times with the initial one, 40 micro. So kamu dapatlah new capacitance will be 200 microfarad. Okay, so ini adalah capacitance selepas dimasukkan insulator. And then the next one, we want to calculate the new charge. Okay, guna saja formula yang tadi di atas. Okay, Q equal to CV. Tapi C kita kena C yang final lah. C yang final. 200 micro dan darab dengan V, since V doesn't change. Okay, V dekat sini constant sahaja 12. So it will be equal to let me check. I'm gonna have the answer. 212. So you get 2,400, is it? Okay, 2,400 microcoulomb.